Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside WhatsApp. Tap Settings now. Once there, select Chats. This is where Global Autosave lives. Make sure you know your device type because the exact label differs. iPhone shows Save to Camera Roll, Android shows Media Visibility. If you want to act immediately, leave settings open and follow the next slide steps to change the global toggle. If you're preparing to change per chat rules, get the chat list ready. This first action gets you into the single place that controls saving. Now change the global switches. On iPhone, flip Save to Camera Roll off in Chats. That stops new media from going into your photos. On Android, turn off Media Visibility in Chats to prevent WhatsApp media appearing in your gallery. Once done, open Data and Storage Usage and disable Auto Download for photos/videos on mobile, and Wi-Fi if you want to avoid automatic downloads over network. Make sure to apply both types of toggles so media won't automatically save. Finish by testing. Have someone send a photo and verify it did not appear in your gallery. If an individual chat still saves, open that chat's info and disable the per chat save to camera roll or media visibility override. If media still appears after changing both global and per chat settings, force close WhatsApp and restart your phone, then recheck. Sometimes the media indexer needs a reset. If problems persist, update the app. Older versions can ignore newer toggles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.